so I'm shooting with the iPhone 7 Plus. This is my Parrot, Salty. And it's very sunny out, so he thinks it's funny. I think I'm trying out different angles. What I'm trying to find out is if the video camera has all the same features as the phone has. So it does have the close-up. Salty. So I can go in and hit 1 or 2. So this is close and this is wide. And before I could do this up and down, but interesting. Okay, so tell us a story. Huh? What do you think? Oh, do-dee-do. So, wait, let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, I just discovered this. The video. See this noise? Look how close I can get. Ooh, pretty orange eyes. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Okay, so now I'm backing up. Hi. And, hello. Salty. Salty. Oh, pretty funny, huh? Kind of trying to figure it all out. I mean, there's 2 cameras on here, but you know, this is pretty easy to use because there's just, it says 1 time, I hit the 2 time button, and then I get the close-up. And then I'm trying to get the thing sometimes. Anyway, so there's some shadows and stuff. I'm gonna shoot some other pictures in the backyard. It's still pretty bright out. This is Long Island, this is the canal. I don't know how it's adjusting for this. I mean, when I did it before,